Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Pova 5 Pro and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro settings section. After click over there, you will find something say personalization, and then you will find here this wallpaper section. In wallpaper section, you can easily choose static wallpaper preloaded by Tecno. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper and we will see the preview this wallpaper how it's going to be looks like. So if you decide to set this wallpaper, you can click here set and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your lock screen or home screen? In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to click here home screen wallpaper, and then we can see it's saying to configuration has successful. So if I go back in my phone home screen, we will see my phone is going to be appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. Now you might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them in your wallpaper. So for that you need to click in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro settings section. After click over there, you need to click here personalization. After click over personalization, in this time we're going to click here gallery, and then we'll see all our pictures available in our gallery. For example, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So we're going to see the picture, and if you want to apply, you can click here apply, and then pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this picture in your home screen, lock screen, or both? So I'm going to click here home screen wallpaper, and after that we will see it's going to be say the picture has setting success. So if I go back, and we'll see in my phone going to appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Tecno Pova 5 Pro. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.